question, you can do it quickly. So let's have a look at the start. A1 is your, what type of problem? Standard projectiles. Actually, it's projectiles in one dimension. Is there an angle or not?
No.
It's just straight up, which is even easier. So, if we have a look at A1 here, the girl throws a ball vertically upwards with initial velocity of 12.4 meters per second. The ball is at a height of 1.13 when it leaves the child's hand. It rises to its maximum height and then falls to the ground. Determine the maximum height. Okay, so at the maximum height, what's the V? It's 0. Minus G. T and S we don't know. And don't forget that for the girl, there is a height of 1.13 meters additional. Right, so we want the S. We can use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, I think. So V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. 0. Yes? Come on, you're late. 0 equals 12.4 squared plus 2AS. So that means S equals 7.83. Yeah, take one. 837 meters. So then the height, we have to add on 1.13, and we get a height of 8.97 meters. Okay, and then part 2 is the total time. So we have U is 12.4 meters per second. V is, don't know. A is minus 9.81. T is what we want.
S is minus 1.1.
And S is minus 1.13. I probably won't write the units all the time in my calculation to save time, but definitely I will write them in my final answer. Right, we'll use S equals UT plus a half AT squared minus 1.13 equals 12.4 T minus 9.81 over 2 T squared. So we get 4.905 T squared minus 12.4 T plus 1.13 equals 0.
Why do you use the distance to be minus 1.13?
1.13 meters below where it started. It's the time to reach the ground, not her hand. Right. Um, 4.905 minus 12.4 1. Yeah, actually, I think 4. Yes, I think there was a mistake possibly made here. No. No, I'm just looking at the answer in the marking scheme and it's not matching mine, and I'm feeling like it's an answer, it's a mistake in the marking scheme.
I think 1.13 should be minus.
Thank you, Tekken. Here's me accusing the marking scheme of being incorrect when it's me all along. 12.4t minus 1.13 equals 0. Well, we have one student awake, but not one teacher.
Why is it minus?
I took everything to the left. Right, so when we solve this quadratic, we get two answers. The first answer is what we take, because we always take the positive time. The second answer we don't take. Okay? How could you have a question about this? What? What?
Are we doing this or are you just doing on the board?
Oh no, I'm doing everything on the board. Yeah. Yeah. If you want, I can give you the next version that you could try at home before the next class. Yeah. Right, that's number